Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a connected app in Salesforce, and more importantly, explain what a connected app actually is. A connected app is essentially a framework that lets external applications securely communicate with your Salesforce environment using APIs. Think of it as a bridge. It defines how other systems can access Salesforce's treasure trove of data while keeping everything safe and secure. So let's dive in. First, log into your Salesforce account and look for the gear icon in the top right corner. Click on it and select Setup. This is your central hub for managing and customizing Salesforce functionalities. Next, use the Quick Find box and type App Manager, then click on it. The App Manager is where you manage all your Salesforce applications, including the new connected app we're about to create. To create a new app, click the New Connected App button in the top right corner. Now it's time to enter some basic information. Start with the connected app name, something descriptive like My App, so you can identify it easily later. Salesforce will automatically fill in the API name, which is a unique identifier for your app, but you can edit it if needed. Then provide a contact email. This is where Salesforce will send notifications or alerts about your app, so make sure it's an email you check regularly. Now comes an essential part. Enable OAuth settings. OAuth defines how your app will authorize and connect to Salesforce. Once you enable it, enter a callback URL. This is the URL where users are redirected after successfully authenticating. Make sure it's a valid URL your app can handle. After that, select OAuth Scopes. This determines the level of access your app will have, like full access or the ability to act on your behalf. Choose the scopes that best fit your requirements. For advanced users, there are additional settings like IP relaxation and a refresh token policies, giving you more control over security and access. Once everything is configured, click Save, and just like that, you've created a connected app in Salesforce. Your app is now ready to securely communicate with external systems. Connected apps are a powerful way to integrate Salesforce with other platforms, and understanding them opens up a world of possibilities for automation, data access, and seamless workflows. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a Salesforce guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.